Hello there, this is Niyi, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple flyer design in Canva. Yes, whether you're using your smartphone, whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, maybe your laptop, yes, you can actually follow this tutorial. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I always like to use Canva, the web application. That is, you go to your Chrome browser or your favorite browser and you type in www.canva.com. Then you need to sign in with your email address or create an account with them, and then you hope when you will have this interface. All right, when you get this interface, so we want to do a very simple design. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to put the size of the design we're going to be using. So I'm going to use 1080 on this. As you can see, the interface is open and our canvas have been created with nothing there right now. So we're going to start to create all our designs from scratch. So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing I want to do is to get a background. So what would you like to use for our background? Now, consider your background has the foundation for your design, because on it you would put all the elements and pictures, right, and text and all that. So the first thing I want to do is click over here because we want to get our background right now. So I need a very simple background. So I'm going to go add on to photos. All right, so I want something very, very, very simple. So let's try this. All right, so I've gotten this background right here. I'm going to rotate it like this. All right, so I'm going to rotate it like this. I want it to be perfectly 90. Okay, I'm going to drag it. So we're using this to form our background. All right, so I'll stretch it and I'll fix it like this. So we have successfully added a background. And if you have done this, congratulations, because you are already going to be a very good designer. The next thing is to add a text to this particular guy here. So let's go. So to add a text, we're going to come over here. We're just going to click on this text right here. And we're just going to type what we want to do. So let's say Sammy's Studio. Sammy's. Okay, let's say Sam. Okay, let's say Sammy's. Right, it's good. The apostrophe can be there. Okay, so let's click on color. Let's look for. Right, so let's pick this color. But I want it to be a little bit dark. All right, so let's just even change it to black. Look at the color. All right, so I'm going to put it there. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go right here. I want to change the style. All right, so let's look for throw. Um, let's try this. No. All right, so that's okay. So let's use this. So we're going to bring it here. All right, we're going to go over here. I'm going to copy it. Let's copy it. All right. Then we'll try to paste it. All right, so yeah, we'll move it here and change it to studio. Okay, then we'll increase it a little more. All right, so that's that. So we've gotten a text. So usually when you get a text like this, you know that you're creating something. All right, then let's get an image. So click here, the empty space, and go to element. All right, so if you want to get an element, so let's go to, we want an image of a lady. Okay, a dark African, no, just a dark beautiful lady smiling. All right, so let's search. We're going to get several options to choose from. All right, so I like this one, but let me look for something else. Okay, I think I like this one. All right, so we're going to remove the background. We'll click on remove BG. Okay, so you need to be on a Canva Pro to do this. So the background is going to go out now. I'm going to increase it and I'm going to put it here. Just to reduce it a little, put it there. All right, so I want to get a camera. All right, so I'm going to get a camera. I'm going to click here, go to element, the same place I've got this. I'm going to just type in camera, enter. Right, so we have several cameras here. So let's look for the one that we want to use. So let's read this. So I'm gonna come over here, rotate it, reduce it, fix it. Yeah, then copy and paste, and then move it here. Right, so I'm just gonna move it there, rotate it like this, and put it there. Now send this onto the front. So that is when come here like this, you can move it to the front. Sorry, you can move this guy to the front. So let's come over to this place here. So if you want to move this image to the front, you just come over, because usually you hold it and move it to the front. Alright, so I want it to come to the front of this camera, so hold it and bring it to the front of the camera. Like that. Alright, so we've gotten just basically this thing that I want to do here. Now, this image, we want it to be covered by other images. Alright, we want kind of a shape to be here, then the write-up to be around this bottom part. So to do that, I'm going to get a shape. So I'm going to click here. I'll go to this. I'm going to go to shapes now. So go back and go to shapes. Alright, so I want a hexagonal shape. So all we need to do is to hexagon. Okay, so let's try hexagon. Alright, so we got it. So this is an hexagon. We're just gonna put it there. Alright, then we'll put one there. Alright, so let's see if we can add an outline to it. The corners, we can curve it, as you can see, or we can make it side more like this. Alright, so I want this one. I can curve it a little. Okay, then reduce it a little here. Is that okay? Then I want to see if we can add an outline to it. So we just come over here. Let's go to style. Okay, so this will add an outline to it. This is the stroke, but I want the stroke color to be changed. Right, so I want the stroke color to be changed. So come here, then change the color to, let's say, white. All right. Okay, so we have something like that. So we want to put like an image inside these guys now. So to do that, we're going to come over here. We're going to come over here. We're going to duplicate it. Sorry, we're going to duplicate it. So let me try something now. Let's try something. Let's hold and move in. Go back. No, that doesn't work. So how do we do that? How do we achieve that? All right, so what we'll do now, we have to go to images. All right, so click here and go to images. So click here. We will go to where we have pictures, right? Use it, photos, right? Okay, so we have orientation here now. So let's get other photos. Black lady, model. All right, so I've seen this one. I've seen this one. All right, so I'm going to remove the background. All right, so I want to fix it here. Okay. All right, so I was getting it wrong, so let's get it right now. So this guy that is here now, so we're going to remove it. I'm going to remove it. So let's delete it. So just hold it and delete, hold and delete. So actually what I want to do is to add a shape that we can add to. What we need is frame. So go to frame and then look for the frame that has the kind of shape that you want to use. So if you want an element that is hexagonal, this is where you're going to type it. All right. So you're going to see a lot of frames here to choose from. So let's choose this one, for example. So when you choose this frame, you can fix it the way you want to fix it, right? So I want this one to be here. Then you can add your styles to it, okay? So let's say you want the corners, you can add your style to it, okay? So this is it. So from here, you can change the color of the stroke that you just added, okay? So any color of your choice. All right, so that's that. So after you've done that, that means this can be copied now. So you can copy this, then you click on paste, and then you move it. Okay, you can move it now. Okay, so I'm putting this one here like this. Then I'm going to still copy it again, and then I'll paste it, and I'll move one here. I'll increase it and put it here. All right, then I will repeat it again. I will copy and paste, and I'll bring this one here. Now reduce this one this time. So something like that, right? So after you're done, you want to now move the image. I can move this one here, for example. I like it to I like it to move with the background. So that means I can actually click here. All right, so go back to images. So there's one image here already. So I can get this image, just move it and put it where you want to put it. So you can double click it to adjust it. So I want to reduce it. Okay. Okay. Then this one we can also double click to adjust it, as you can see. So that's how you do for the other ones. So if you want to add an image here, in this image now we can duplicate it and add one of it there. So let's do this and move it here. You see that now? So we can do the same thing again. So okay, so let's move this one here. You see that now? So we have successfully fixed all these images the way we want to fix them. So we want to get a kind of a base at the bottom here. We'll put phone numbers and other information. But let me show you what we do now. So what we want to do now is to get our services. So we get something like a shape again. So go to this place here, get a shape. So let's go. So know where to get what you want. So I'm going to shapes now. So I'm looking for a shape like this. Perfect. So I'm going to come over here now and put the shape here. I'm going to increase it a little more like this. Increase it a little more. Okay, then I'm going to drag it here. All right, not bad. Still drag it down a little. So still move it here. So that is that. So I'm going to lighten it again. So click here, and move it here so that it become very light. All right, like that. So after that, we want to get some text and fix it at that base where these guys are. So we'll go come over to text. We can use this. We just want to fix them, so we can get um this. So let's quickly type it. All right, so I'm going to do this. Okay, so let's select all and remove the board. Then we can come over here, reduce it, and fix it there. All right, so we can go over here, over our format, and then use this format. Okay, so this pre-wedding photo should go to the next line. All right, so you can see how we are able to create just a simple flyer using Canva. But we're not done yet. So what I want to do now is to get another shape again. So come over here, go to shapes. So let's get this shape this time around. Now, one beautiful thing about designing with Canva is that as you are working on your design will automatically be saved. So that fear of, oh, I lose my design, or maybe you are designing and then all of a sudden something just happened and your design is gone. No, you cannot experience that here, because your design is automatically saved for you. You see, you can see how beautiful that is. So I'm going to bring this guy to the front. So go to layer. So go to layer. So that I can move it to the front. So just hold it like this and move it to the front. So let it be on this front here. All right. So this guy should also move to the top. All right. So that's what we have. So we're going to fix in the text. So we have the address and all those things. So I want to move this one to the top. It's not coming to the top. I want it to come to the top. So click here. Go to layer. Now this guy should come to this one should come behind this, like that. So this is what we have. Then let's get a location icon. So to do that, just go over here, go to element. Then we're going to look for a location icon. So it's going to be under graphics. So let's go. Just type your location icon. Do want to like this video and then subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more tutorials like this. So I've gotten that. I want to change the color to white. So go here, change the color to white. All right, so I can just reduce it and bring it here. Still reduce it small. Okay. All right, so I'll copy this. All right, I'll paste it and I'll move it here. So here I'm going to type the location. So let's say this place is beside Niyi, France, Lube. Alright, so the place is not a replace, it's just me typing something, okay? So I'm going to click here, I'm going to drag this. Yeah, so we'll drag it like this, and then we'll change the color to white also because of the background there. Alright, so do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be dropping more tutorials like this so that you can actually learn how to design using your Canva. Alright, so after that, we're going to put a line and we're going to put the phone number. So let's put a line here. So let's move this guy. So let's move this here. Okay, so let's put a line. So to get a line, all you need to go to element, go to I think you can get a line here. So let's just type line. So just type line, you get a line. So anything you want to do, just go to the appropriate place and you'll be able to get it. So I put the line here. I'm going to stretch it like this and change the color. So okay, let's use this. So that's that. Then the phone number is going to be so let's paste this. Let me send this to the back. So the phone number, let's use this one already that is there. So let's copy, and then we'll paste. So move this one here. All right, so we'll type the phone number there. Okay, so let's say 081 344 blah 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 blah, okay, and 0805 d. All right, so these phone numbers are not real. So if you want to put the phone icon there, all you need to do is the same thing. Just go and search it out for there from where you want to get it. Right. So that's that. If you can do this, you're seeing that we've successfully created a simple flyer design using CapCut. Sorry, using Canva. Right. So I want this color to reflect here, and I want it also to reflect here. All right. So this is it. So we can get a fake logo. Okay, a logo that we can actually use just to help the design. So right there, we're going to have the word our services. Right. So let's come over here. Let's just copy this. Copy, and then we'll paste it and put it here. So I'm going to type there our services. So do it to like this video and do it to share with a friend. Invite somebody to come and learn how to design using just Canva. So I'm going to put it there like this. I see that now. I'm going to put it there like that. Then assume you want to add a shape around it or something like that. So we can come over here. We have format. All right. So I want it to be bold. It's already bold. All right. Advanced means okay. So let's leave it like this. All right. So it's a simple flyer design we've just created here, and you can actually create it by yourself. Okay. So like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyi, and I'm going to see you in the next one. So like I said, I will show you how to design using Canva. I will show you how to design using Canva, not just Pixel Lab this time around, but Canva. So do it to subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I post tutorial like this. Thank you for watching to the end. Tell me what you learned in the comment section and tell me if you want more tutorials on Canva to be posted and I'll respond to you with my voice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.